Hey, this is Rich Lennon. Thanks for reaching out. I've gotten a lot of reach out based on my recent Facebook reel, so I thought the best way to do this would be to just film a 1-minute video and say hi, give you some basic information on what I do. I'm a money lender, been a money lender for a long time now, and I lend my money somewhere between 30 and 50%. And so the way I do that is I do it through arbitrage of some lazy money. So my average deal looks like, hey, I'm putting $100,000 of my own money in, and I'm getting some lazy money from another investor. And then I put that money together and I lend it. And so I typically lend at 13% and 3 points for 6 months. In general, that's 20%. So if I'm getting 20% on my own $100,000 and I get my lazy money from another investor at 10%, I make the arbitrage on that lender's lazy money. I make an additional 10%. So the total return on my $100,000 investment is 30%. And if I go into that deal where I'm only putting 25% of the money in, where I put $50,000 of my own money in and use $150,000 of lazy money, that return is around 50 to 52%. And so I've been doing that for 4 or 5 years, done a couple hundred loans, teaching people how to do that. If you're interested in getting some coaching specific to do this, you can reach out, give me a text, and we'll schedule a time to chat. If you are not interested in getting coaching and just interested in general, just send me an email address, and I've got email campaigns that I put out information and just do some education, and you're welcome to follow along. Hope that helps, and hope to talk to you soon.